Hey, hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are basking in the glory and staying at home safely. So as you all know that in our previous video we have done nouns and their exercises too. Okay, but in our previous video we talked about only countable noun and its types. Okay, but in today's video we are going to talk about uncountable noun and its two types. Okay, what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns, it means the things which cannot be counted are called as uncountable noun. So it has two types, concrete noun and abstract noun. So first of all, we will discuss about concrete noun. What is a concrete noun? Concrete noun, it means the things which we can experience with our five senses, means we can see, touch, hear, smell and taste. Okay? So this is called concrete noun. For example, table, pen, chair, water, sunlight, mountain. Okay, these are example of concrete noun. Now we will discuss about abstract noun. So abstract noun is just opposite to concrete noun. The things which we cannot experience with our five senses but we can feel it. We just can feel it. It is the feeling of our inside. हमारे अंदर की जो feelings होती हैं उनको हम कहते हैं abstract noun. For example, honesty, bravery, kindness, knowledge. Now we are going to do the exercises. So let's do the exercises. Okay, question number 8 and B part. Now use a suitable noun to fill in each blank. Okay, question number 8, B part. Okay, what is A? The tailor sieves our dresses. What's next? The milkman brings us milk. C part. The policeman catches thieves. D part. The barber cuts our hair. E part. The cobbler mends our shoes. F part. The sweeper sweeps our streets. What's next? G part. The dhobi washes our dirty clothes. The fruit seller sells fruits and vegetables. What's next? The fisherman brings us fish. Okay, student. Now we will do the exercise on page number 98. Then what is question number 9? Read the following dialogues between Meeta and her mother. Complete it by filling in the blanks with suitable nouns given in the box below. Okay. So what is first? Mother, where have you been the whole day? In the first, we will fill day. What's next? I was at the riding club. Let's see. But the riding club closes at 5 o'clock. It is 6 in the evening. What's next? We had a riding competition today. I have no idea. If you had told me, I would have to gone to the market alone. Market. Okay. What's next? Why did you want to go to the market? So mother का जवाब होता है I have to buy some pastries for the party. Okay. So Meeta has said, you should have informed me on my cell phone. Okay, students. Now we will do question number 10. What is question number 10? Draw lines to match the collection nouns in the column A with the common noun in column B. You have been given an example. Okay. So the bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers. Group of islands. Group of islands. Next is pair of shoes. What's next? Chest of drawers. What's next? Army of ants. What's next? Swarm of bees. Okay, students. Now we will do our next question. What's next? Question number 11. Complete the following sentences using collective nouns given in the box below. Okay. So the tabby cat did not let anyone come near her. We will write litter of kittens. Okay. What's next? The open sugar tin was filled with an army of ants. Okay. What's next? We live in the same block of flats. Okay. What's next? This suite of furniture is on sale. What's next? A gang of thieves broke into the bank. Gang. What's next? He threw down his bundle of sticks. What's next? My elder brother has a large collection of stamps. What's next? The Andamans are a group of islands. Okay, students. Now we will do our next question. Okay, student. What is our next question? Question number 12. Underline the concrete noun and circle the abstract noun. So we will do one thing. We'll draw a line, and in this column we will write abstract, and here concrete. Okay. So first, freedom. So freedom is an abstract noun. What's next? Boy, concrete. Next, friendship. So friendship is an abstract noun. What's next? Camel. What's next? Childhood. What's next? Table. What's next? Growth. What's next? Cow. Here. Next, nobility. What's next? House. Next, banana. What's next? Strength. What's next? Popularity. What's next? Policeman. Mango. Belt. Ambulance. And last one is kindness. Okay, students. Now we will do our next question. Our next question is question number 13. What we'll have to do? Draw a line to match the words in column A with the correct suffix in column B. Then write the abstract noun thus formed in column C. You have been given one example. Okay. For example, true and th, it became truth. So like this we will write. So second will be discovery. Okay. B. Discovery. C. Wisdom. D. Treat. So treatment. What's next? E. just, justice. What's next? Decide. Okay, so this will be decision. What's next? G part, loyal, so this will be loyalty. And H part, unit, so this will be unity. Okay students, now we will do our next exercise. What is the next question? Question number 14. What we'll have to do in it? Fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns formed from the words given in brackets. Okay, so the word we have, that is laugh, so we will make it laughter. Okay, what's next? B part, wise, so this will be wisdom. What's next? C part, a little, no, so this will be knowledge. Okay, what's next? D part, always speak the truth, so this will be truth. What's next? E part, the thieves managed to escape punishment. We have punish, so this will be punishment. What's next? She thanked him for his kind, so this will be kindness. What's next? G part, clean is next to godliness, so this will be cleanliness. What's next? H part, large shades trees provide protection. Okay student, now we'll do our next exercise. Question number 15. What we'll have to do? In the following passage, there is one word missing in each line. A slash has been placed where the word is missing. Take help from the box below and write the missing noun in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so let's see. Some soldiers were fighting a long battle long ago. Among them was a young man. In A we will write a young man who used a horn instead of a sword. From time to time, he would blow his horn and the music would cheer the soldiers. During the battle, the enemy captured him. When the young man realized he would be killed, he fell on his knees and begged for mercy as he had not taken part in the battle. Okay, so this was the chapter. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. So still if you have any doubt, then you can tell us in the comment section. But do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.